let's talk about my 15 months selling digital products on Etsy.
Wow, honestly, I can't believe my Etsy shop has been open for 15 months now. That's honestly crazy. So this is just another quick, just a short update for you. In terms of organic traffic, we had 1,034 visits with 30 total orders, resulting in $127 in total revenue, which is about a 2.9% conversion rate for organic traffic, right? And again, that organic traffic just means that people searching my listings, finding them. So just people finding or purchasing my listings without Etsy ads or anything like that. So when you factor in Etsy ads, I spent about $30 again. So that's kind of what I've been doing for the last couple months, is just spending about $1 a day on Etsy ads. Now, it's actually pretty wild because I've been getting the same exact amount of visits for the last 4 months. That typically results in 2 to 4 orders, right? So this month it was $16.97 in total revenue. So I lost on this again. However, like I've said before, I really do think it is worth it just to get those few extra orders. I'm willing to spend, really here I lost about 13 bucks, right? So for me, it's worth spending 13 bucks to get a couple of good reviews, because typically people, for whatever reason, people that purchase my listings through Etsy ads typically tend to leave a review. So for me, it's worth the $13 to leave a review to hopefully build traction on my store. And so that resulted in a 3.19% conversion rate. The total revenue for the month was $144, so not as good as April. Honestly, in April, I really worked on optimizing my listings, and I think that helped a lot. And now I didn't do as much work here in May, just because I've been starting a couple of other things. So I haven't had as much time in May to kind of optimize things and change listings. So for that reason, I think it's dropped a little bit in May. But honestly, overall, I'm fine. I'm happy with the revenue I got. So, I'm not growing crazy, and that's mostly because I'm not getting new listings added. But I am improving the listings, which I think will help long term. All right, so overall, that's 492 orders, which is $2,310 in total revenue that I've received, and that's a 3.27% conversion rate. So I think, if I remember correctly, I think the average conversion rate for an Etsy shop is 3 to 5%. So I'm a little on the low side. So total visits was 15,866. That number just blows my mind, that many people have visited my shop, which is insane. Resulting in $1,000 in total profit, which is a number I love to see. Again, since I dialed back ad spend, I really don't have a ton of expenses. The listing fees are pretty cheap, and my products are basically, for me, they don't cost anything because it's a digital product. So, and 30% of my total revenue came from ad spend, which, keeps getting lower as I, haven't increased the ad spend as much as I did when I first started. So there you have it. That's just a quick update of my Etsy shop for month 15. Stay tuned for the next month to see how I improved, to see what I did differently, and see if I did better than May. Appreciate the watch, and please subscribe and smash the like button right before you leave. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.